Welcome to Beyond Transparency, AI's impact on the fixed income market. This is episode 3, What Makes Solve Price Smart? Inside the data that drives predictive pricing. Solve Price isn't just powered by better data. It's driven by a generative AI system, combining curated market intelligence, advanced machine learning, and continuous retraining to predict where bonds trade, even when direct market signals are limited. Let's look inside.
So in the context of Solve Price, we're leveraging kind of these massive data sets, right? So it's relying on 3 key data sets, one being our proprietary quotes data, the other being trades, and the third reference data. And it looks at hundreds of characteristics, so 300 different feature inputs across these 3 key data sets to fill the gaps in the data and generate where trades are going to happen.
Bridging those gaps starts with data, but not just any data. Solve aggregates over 20 million quotes across key asset classes, corporates, municipals, securitized products, and more. And it's not just aggregation, it's transformation. Solve uses AI to clean, normalize, and enrich the data, ensuring the inputs are accurate and actionable before predictive models ever see them.
There are all sorts of algorithms that happen behind the scenes that fix the originating data, that help reclassify things like prices, spreads, and yields.
With over 300 plus distinct feature inputs built into the model, Solve Price captures market signals that traditional methods often miss, delivering predictive prices even for illiquid and hard-to-value bonds.
Solve Price is providing a bid and offer for the next trade, where we believe the next trade is going to occur for over 900,000 bonds, virtually all fixed coupon bonds. That's providing a level of transparency and insight that frankly doesn't exist without us.
Each predictive price is built on a foundation of hundreds of factors, not just historical trades or basic comparables. By learning from layered multidimensional data, Solve Price reveals deeper truths about market behavior.
One of the biggest surprises was that the model picked up on certain contradictory trends that even myself as a former market practitioner would not have expected. Case in point, we had a situation wherein, when looking at the output of our model, we saw, at least for a decent share of bonds, that our midpoints for retail were actually lower than our institutional trading.
Discovering patterns like these shows that Solve Price isn't just replicating what markets have done. It's uncovering what traditional methods can't always see. But building a model this sophisticated demands more than powerful insights. It requires explainability and trust.
Speaking in terms of accuracy, if we want to just shoot accuracy, ignore everything else, we can do that. But that's not the point. We should be in a place where we should be able to defend our prediction.
And because the market is dynamic, Solve Price doesn't rely solely on recent trades. When live market activity is sparse, Solve taps into its proprietary reference databases, connecting bonds to smart comparables across issuers, sectors, and structures to maintain predictive accuracy.
The criticality of being able to identify comparables, especially in the muni space, is something that is really important, and it's something where we're able to leverage our underlying obligor database, our underlying sector designations that we've done over time.
It's this layered engineered data foundation that enables Solve Price to uncover hidden relationships, delivering predictions with a depth of understanding beyond human intuition.
It's finding correlations and relationships that humans can't necessarily find. And humans can generally see 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, maybe even 4-dimensional, but you can't look at 300 dimensions at once. That's very, very difficult. I would say impossible. So being able to use a machine to do that is very, very important, and that's been fantastic to see.
And with each new trade, quote, and market event, the model gets smarter, continuously retraining, recalibrating, and refining its predictions.
Solve price is an integral part of our long-term product strategy. It's incredibly important to the firm. Institutionally, as we look back historically to our products, our Solve Quotes database, proprietary database, has been an important part of our franchise. It generates a lot of growth in our business and is very deep in its content. It covers many asset classes, including corporates, loans, municipals, structured products, and derivatives.
The result? A faster, smarter, more adaptive pricing engine, powered by curated market data, generative AI, and continuous improvement. Next time on Beyond Transparency, we'll explore how Solve Price learns and evolves, shaping the next generation of fixed income analytics.